Hi, welcome to Excel. Today we'll talk about Workday function in Excel. So Workday function is used to calculate the payroll dates, or the due dates, delivery dates, or sometimes and even the project completion dates. So let us know how the Workday functions in Excel. And for that, we should first know the syntax of the Workday. The syntax of Workday is equal to Workday. And within the parentheses, we give three arguments. That is the start date, and then the days, the number of days refers to the number of days from the start date. And this is an optional argument, which is holidays. If you want to incorporate, you can incorporate the holidays as well and calculate the work day. Now let us see how we can arrive at this formula in this. The first one is done for us. Workday is equal to workday, and we have taken two cell references B5 and C5. So B5 refers to the start date and C5 refers to the number of days. So let's do one more formula here, like how we have arrived at this formula is equal to uh, workday. We'll type the workday. So as you type, you get the option down here and just click on that. Now for the start date, you take the start date for 4th February as your start date, and the reference cell is P6. And for the number of days for your project completion is 120 days. So you can type 120 directly, or you can even take the cell reference by clicking on this cell, and then you can close the parenthesis. So this is how you get the work days for different projects. Now, what does a workday do? Now we have learned like how the syntax is working, but what exactly happens within the function of the workday? What days does it count and what days it doesn't count? So when you calculate a workday, the Microsoft Excel itself incorporated the workday with weekends, excluding the weekends, that is Saturday and Sunday, are excluded in this formula. So it is not counting, the formula is not counting the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. It is by default. So these weekends are excluded, and the remaining working days are calculated, and and then date after number of the days that you have mentioned, that date will be given. So this is how the workday functions. But when you want to have, the weekends in your office or in your region or the area where you might be in some other country where you have only Sunday as a weekend, or sometimes you have Friday as a weekend, sometimes you may have Monday and Sunday as weekend. So there are some, you cannot customize this. The workday you cannot customize this because by default this weekday will only take Saturdays and Sundays. It will only take Saturdays and Sundays as a weekend. So what they have, Excel has come up with is, it has come up with Workday INTL. So here there are four arguments. It has incorporated this weekend. So the weekend is incorporated, where the weekend mentions that you can customize the weekend days. Like you can take Saturday or Sunday, which is one, the default that is permitted. You can mention. If you don't mention, it will take even in Workday INTL, it will work the same thing. If you write one, or even if it is omitted, it is take the Saturday and Sunday as weekdays. But if you have any other days as weekend days, like some offices may have Sunday or Monday, some offices may have Friday and Saturday as a weekend days, or some places like in India, we have only some, most of the offices work only on Sunday, or some offices work, sorry, take a leave only on Sunday, not working. So they take a leave only on Sundays. So that is your weekend day. So in that case, you have to select the option 11, or sometimes it's the Saturday only is a holiday. That is our only weekend. So that time you have to take 17. So depending upon the weekend days, so any day of the week, whichever weekend days your region or your office prefers, you can customize this workdays IMTL. So let us see, and also it has the same thing, holidays, as the one more option. So this is an optional. If your project or your office considers the holidays, it can be incorporated in the workday INTL as well. Now this coming back to the workday, we have this formula. Workday has given a different date, and if you have incorporated the holidays, the same formula is given in different dates. I'll double click on this side. So it is this formula. It is B5 and C5. We have included start day and days. Okay, now we'll just enter this. And if we see this one, we have entered the same formula, but we have incorporated the holidays here, which is H5 to H21. And press enter. So you have got a different date. So when you're incorporating your holidays, your the work day will be changing because those days are also considered as the weekend days. So and hence, how do you select this one? Is equal to now is equal to you write the work day and take the start date, the relative reference here, and then the comma and press 120 number of days uh, the number of days, or we can also take the relative reference, which is cell, and then if you want to incorporate the holidays, we, we can just take the click on the first cell of this holiday dates and drag with the left mouse button. All cells will be selected and close the parenthesis. Now let's see what day we get. So we are getting 31 July or as our work day. So it depends whether your project or your office is incorporating those holidays in your calendar or not. So depending upon that, you can calculate your work day. Okay. So let's copy down the formula here like this. You can just copy it down, bringing down the left mouse button, dragging the left mouse button handle towards okay down, and formula gets copied. This is how you do. And let's go to the Workday INTL. So in this, I have entered like there are three arguments here. We have not incorporated the holidays. Here we have incorporated the weekend as 11. So what does 11 refer to here? 11 refers to Sunday only. So in India, most of the offices have only Sunday as a weekend. They don't have Saturdays. So here we have taken 11 as a weekend, and so you have a different when you're taking only Sunday, again you have a different. Here we are getting 25 26 February. Yes. So that you so depends upon which weekday weekend day you're going to take, and we'll take one more other example where your work day is it's Friday and Saturday. So the start, let's take the start date first and then the number of working days. And let's select which is the Friday and Saturday, right? Friday and Saturday's option is 7. So click on this and you'll get the option holidays, which is 7. And put the 7 where you're eliminating your Saturday and Sunday. Friday and Saturday, Friday and Saturday. So you'll get this different formulas. And if you have any other day, like if you want to put Monday or Tuesday, also you can incorporate the number 3. Okay, it's Monday and Tuesday. Then you can just these are your weekend days. Then you have to incorporate that number. So this is how you work on with the Workday INTL. You can customize it. So our Workday INTL is more robust when compared to Workday because you can customize the weekend days. So let's copy this formula down where you have only Sunday as your weekend and see what are the dates. Okay, and let's go to the formatting to short date. Open this and then open the number format and go to click on the short date. So this is how the Workday and Workday INTL works for us. And we can arrive at the due dates or the project completion deadlines. So I hope you understood the basic functioning of Workday and Workday INTL. If you have any more doubts or you need any more clarifications, please put it in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. And, thank you for watching the video.